Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is on this makeup look right here. I actually had been seeing a lot of these colors all over the place recently. It's very in for summer, so I decided to create a makeup look themed off of some of the trends that I am seeing. So this is all yellow for our eyes, and then a bright red lip and some dewy skin. And yes, you are seeing me with longer hair. You're not crazy. I got extensions. I am loving the long hair life. Gotta say, it's a little weird though. Just need to add that side note in. So starting off our makeup look, I already have my eyebrows done, and I am going in with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my eyelids, and this is just going to give us a really great base to work from. And then I'm going to set that with a white eyeshadow. I'm using white because it is slightly brighter than my skin tone, to where our yellow reflects off of our skin better. And these are all Stillazzi eyeshadows that I'm using, these little ones here. I'll put the numbers of them in the description box for you. Then I'm going in with a yellow one, and on a flat fluffy brush I am blending that into my crease area. Again, not really worrying about what the lid looks like. I'm just wanting to intensify that mostly in the crease and make sure it's nice and diffused around the edges. Then I'm going into Flash from the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette, and I'm packing this onto my eyelid. It is a gorgeous yellow gold color. Oh, I didn't even have to wet my brush, and this is how good the pigment is on this. And I'm using a flat synthetic brush to pack this on my eyelid. I want to make sure that the edge is pretty sharp since we don't have a whole lot going on, but I do want to keep that detail from the lid to our transition shade there. Now I'm going in with my Flower Automatic Eyeliner, and I'm lining my tight line only. Then going into my H2O proof liquid eyeliner, and this is from Wet n Wild. You guys know this is my favorite. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know this is all I've used for like the past 3 years. Hands down, favorite, lasts through everything, and I wear this for like 16-hour days. I kid you not, it's amazing. So after creating our really bold wing, I'm going in with my eyelashes from eBay. I'll put the name of them in the description box for you. But before that, I'm going to prime my eyelids using my Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara, just to give them a really good coat to where we don't dirty up our fake eyelashes. Then moving on to my face, I'm using my Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm, and this is going to be our face primer today and act a little bit as a moisturizer. It really helps the foundation go on smoothly, especially in the summer when we tend to get more dry. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Liquid Foundation. I don't remember the shade I'm in, but it's probably the lightest because that's just how my life is. And I'm working in sections on my face to avoid any patchiness and avoid any cakiness, so it's not quite so thick because I don't mind a little bit of my freckles showing through. And then I did move to a smaller brush for my forehead area because I wanted to be a little bit more particular on where I placed this. Then going in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, I'm just using that underneath my eyes to brighten and kind of highlight that area as well as conceal. And I just did upside down triangles for that. Oh, and I'm buffing this out with a Royal Cosmetics brush. And like always, you guys know this isn't a shocker, I'm using my Midnight Colorless Luxury Powder. Pretty sure I've used this in like every video for the past like year. I love it. I have not found a powder that I like more than this, and I've tried a lot of freaking powders. So if you're pale and you need some, this is perfect for you. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my CoverGirl Loose Powder in the shade Light, and I'm using the powder puff that it comes with because I really like to pack it onto my foundation and make sure we get as much of an even coverage as possible. Then for our bronzer today and kind of our contour as well, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm in the milk chocolate color. And I'm using a smaller brush because I want this to act more as a contour than just a bronzer, because I do want to give it that depth, a little bit of shadow, but nothing crazy. And then for blush today, can't remember the name of this. I got it in my Ipsy. I'll put it in the description box for you, but I've actually been really enjoying it as a nice dewy look to it when I put it on my skin, and it's not too pink, which I love. Oh, and I'm also going to put this on the end of my nose because I thought it would look really cute with this look, and I was right. I like it. Then for our highlighter, I'm using a Milani highlighter. I can't remember the color of this, but like I say always, when I can't remember, it's always in the description box for you guys. I will have your back there. And I'm highlighting my Cupid's bow, my nose, my cheekbones, and my chin, and underneath my eyebrows, just to add that extra touch of dewiness. And I actually love this highlighter. I've used it like every day since I got it. The pigmentation on this is ridiculous. Then going to our lower lash area, I'm just using that yellow we used in our crease, and I am buffing that underneath my eyelashes just to add a soft smokiness to tie it all together, and giving a really quick coat of mascara to my lower lashes down there. And then for lipstick today, I'm using Heathers by Anastasia Beverly Hills in their liquid lipstick. And this is definitely one of my favorite red colors. You do have to be careful though, because you can't overlap layers with this while it's still wet. It will get too cakey on you and then you'll flake. So make sure you're very precise with your first layer to where you don't have to worry about that. And that is the total look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to let me know in the comments down below, as well as let me know anything that you're struggling with makeup. I would love to create a video specifically for that, or if I have one, I'll let you know. But yeah, I really had a fun time creating this look. It's simple but still glamorous, so it was a lot of fun to create. Also getting used to the new hair, that's gonna take a second. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat to stay up to date on me and my hair and my life. And all the names and links are in the description box for you. And I will see you next week. Bye!